Baxın görün bu cındır İlham Əliyev necə utanıb qızarmadan yalan danışır.
Why do you think that people in Azerbaijan do not have free media and opposition?
Because this is what I'm told by independent sources in this country.
Which independent source?
Many independent sources.
Tell me which.
I certainly couldn't name sources.
Oh, if you couldn't name that means that you're just inventing the stories.
So you're saying the media is not under state control?
Not at all. Whom do you call opposition here? Can I ask you?
Well, is there allowed to be an opposition here?
Yeah, it is allowed, of course.
I mean, NGOs are the subject of a crackdown. Journalists are the subject of a crackdown.
Not at all.
Critics are in jail.
No, not at all.
None of this is true.
Absolutely fake. Absolutely. We have free media. We have free internet. And the number of internet users in Azerbaijan is more than 80%. We have millions of people on Facebook. How can you say that we don't have free media? We have opposition, we have NGOs, we have free political activity, we have free media, we have freedom of speech.
Yalan deyənin ölüsünə dirisinə nələt, ay İlham Əliyev.